Just completed the workout and the amount of push-ups that I did were
yes. 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 Yes.
Now, after completing this workout, I started to realize that I'm really unfit. Now, the first step in getting fit is to push your body out of its comfort zone. So that's why, as you could see, this was my first day doing ground push-ups, and I was able to do 17 of them, well 16. And then after I did those 16, 17, when I couldn't do it on the floor anymore, I used an elevation over there. So I was able to do 20. Now the challenge is tomorrow. I want to push to do at least 21, and the day after that at least 22, and so on and so forth until we get to 100. And once we get to 100, eventually take it to 1000. Right now, today is what, 5th of July. These are my muscles right now. Not much, but let's come back to this after 2 months. One of the main motivators of me wanting to get fit was joining Hustlers University and just like watching Andrew Tate, man. Like, my cousin first told me about this guy maybe a month ago when we were chilling at a beach, and I'd heard of him through Twitter. I never liked him. Like, I for real didn't like him. And he's like, bro, just watch one of his videos. I'm like, cool, I'll give him a chance. So I watched this video with Andrew Tate and this guy Mike Thurston when they were in Dubai and they did a workout together. Now honestly though, the whole part of the video, I really wasn't paying attention. I didn't care. But then it came to the point where after Andrew finished working out with Mike, they did a small kickboxing sparring session, and the way he explained kickboxing, man, the way he explained it just caught me soul. I'm like, yo, is this guy actually a kickboxing champion? He's like, yeah bro, 4-time world champion. I'm like, bro, fuck this, I want to see some of his videos of him fighting. And then I saw those videos. I'm like, yo, this dude is legit backing up everything that he's saying. He's actually doing what he's saying, which is something very few people are doing. So that got me hooked. Like, I started watching more about his videos, and the way his mindset works, the way he just like go get it. Like, I see an opportunity, I'm going to take it before someone else does it. Like the competition in a men's world, man, all these things put together are the basic fundamentals of Hustlers University. Now, if you actually do get into Hustlers University, there's a link below. I call it Bugatti University. There are so many streams of income. Like, obviously back then since I was playing with crypto a little bit, I was like, yo, let me check out the crypto thing. But then they had a disclaimer or word of advice or word of caution saying that if you're not making $5,000, don't even think about crypto trading because you need some money coming in. So I'm like, okay, so maybe crypto is not an option for me right now. Then I checked out their dropshipping section, and what they said was for dropshipping or for Amazon, you need to have at least $2,000 or $3,000 before you start. So I'm like, okay, fine. So to make money in these fields, you need a little bit of money. But then there were some other sections which were how to make money without having any skills, without doing anything, and that was affiliate marketing, copywriting, freelancing. And yo, the value in the Discord servers, I wasn't able to go through all of it. There's so much. I thought, okay, I'll start with copywriting, start with affiliate marketing, and start with ecom, and do them all because I got some experience. But the truth is, if you actually want to learn this skill, start with one and spend time mastering this. There's so much content. All you have to do is put in the work. If you practice what they say every day, you will make it big. Like, there's a guy out there, for writing 30 Instagram captions, somebody paid him $900. There's another guy, for just writing 12 emails, he got paid $300. I'm like, yo, Hustlers University costs $50. These guys have already done 6 months for like 12 emails of work. Build a skill, let the money come. I'm here building the body, training the mind, working on my laptop, doing all these things because I want to make it big, and I will make it big, and you guys are proof. The first step is 100 push-ups. The second step is $1,000 per day. Watch me, I'm gonna get it.